Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will invited engineer Xiao to explain us the whole process of loading and feeding the PS film to EPS insulation heating panel laminating machine. It is divided into 4 steps. Step 1. Feeding. 1.1. Install the shaft spinner used to fix the film onto the feeding rod. 1.2. After fix the PS film, tighten the shaft spinner and secure it with screws. 1.3. Hang the shaft on the hook of the feeding rack. 1.4. Rotate the handle to drive the feeding rack through the cylinder, then main roll the shaft and PS film into the slot. Make sure to aim properly. Step 2. Threading. 1. As shown in the video, thread through the 4 tensioning rods in order. Please refer to this image. Step 2. After completing the film feeding, adjust the width according to the actual situation through the samll control panel. Step 3. Clamping. 3.1. Lift the upper clamping roller. 3.2. Thread the PS film through the 2 clamping rollers in a smooth state. 3.3. Lower the upper clamping roller. 3.4. Place the PS film below the roller of the feeding inlet. Pay special attention to hand safety. Step 4. Feeding. Press the jog forward button and the PS raw material will be fed in, then you can start working. For more information on the EPS machine and EPS mold, PLS contact us by email or mobile. We will be happy to answer your questions.